Geography, Environment, and Climate. The geography and climate of Pakistan are extremely diverse, and the country is home to a wide variety of wildlife. Pakistan covers an area of 881,913 square kilometers, 340,509 square miles, approximately equal to the combined land areas of France and the United Kingdom. It is the 33rd largest nation by total area, although this ranking varies depending on how the disputed territory of Kashmir is counted. Pakistan has a 1,046 kilometers, 650 miles, coastline along the Arabian Sea and the Gulf of Oman in the south and land borders of 6,774 kilometers, 4,209 miles, in total, 2,430 kilometers, 1,510 miles, with Afghanistan, 523 kilometers, 325 miles, with China, 2,912 kilometers, 1,809 miles, with India and 909 kilometers, 565 miles, with Iran. It shares a marine border with Oman, and is separated from Tajikistan by the cold, narrow Wakhan corridor. Pakistan occupies a geopolitically important location at the crossroads of South Asia, the Middle East, and Central Asia. Geologically, Pakistan is located in the Indus-Sangpo suture zone and overlaps the Indian tectonic plate in its Sindh and Punjab provinces. Balochistan and most of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are within the Eurasian plate, mainly on the Iranian plateau. Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir lie along the edge of the Indian plate and hence are prone to violent earthquakes. This region has the highest rates of seismicity and the largest earthquakes in the Himalaya region. Ranging from the coastal areas of the south to the glaciated mountains of the north, Pakistan's landscapes vary from plains to deserts, forests, hills, and plateaus. Pakistan is divided into three major geographic areas: the Northern Highlands, the Indus River Plain, and the Balochistan Plateau. The Northern Highlands contain the Karakoram, Hindu Kush, and Pamir mountain ranges, sea mountains of Pakistan, which contain some of the world's highest peaks, including 5 of the 14 8,000ers, mountain peaks over 8,000 meters or 26,250 feet, which attract adventurers and mountaineers from all over the world, notably K2, 8,611 meters or 28,251 feet, and Nanga Parbat, 8,126 meters or 26,660 feet. The Balochistan Plateau lies in the west and the Thar Desert in the east. The 1,609 kilometers, 1,000 miles, Indus River and its tributaries flow through the country from the Kashmir region to the Arabian Sea. There is an expanse of alluvial plains along it in the Punjab and Sindh. The climate varies from tropical to temperate, with arid conditions in the coastal south. There is a monsoon season with frequent flooding due to heavy rainfall, and a dry season with significantly less rainfall or none at all. There are 4 distinct seasons in Pakistan: a cool, dry winter from December through February, a hot, dry spring from March through May, the summer rainy season, or southwest monsoon period, from June through September, and the retreating monsoon period of October and November. Rainfall varies greatly from year to year, and patterns of alternate flooding and drought are common. Flora and fauna. Main articles: Wildlife of Pakistan, Flora of Pakistan, and Fauna of Pakistan. The diversity of the landscape and climate in Pakistan allows a wide variety of trees and plants to flourish. The forests range from coniferous alpine and subalpine trees such as spruce, pine, and deodar or cedar in the extreme northern mountains to deciduous trees in most of the country, for example, the mulberry-like shisham found in the Sulayman Mountains, to palms such as coconut and date in the southern Punjab, southern Balochistan, and olive Sindh. The western hills are home to juniper, tamarisk, coarse grasses, and scrub plants. Mangrove forests form much of the coastal wetlands along the coast in the south. Bear. Tibetan wolf. Coniferous forests are found at altitudes ranging from 1,000 to 4,000 meters, 3,300 to 13,100 feet, in most of the northern and northwestern highlands. In the xeric regions of Balochistan, date palm and dephedra are common. In most of the Punjab and Sindh, the Indus plains support tropical and subtropical dry and moist broadleaf forest as well as tropical and xeric shrublands. These forests are mostly of mulberry, acacia, and eucalyptus. About 2.2% or 1,687,000 hectares, 16,870 square kilometers, of Pakistan was forested in 2010. The fauna of Pakistan also reflects the country's varied climate. Around 668 bird species are found there, including crows, sparrows, mynas, hawks, falcons, and eagles. Pakistan has a significant population of western tragopan. Many birds sighted in Pakistan are migratory, coming from Europe, Central Asia, and India. The southern plains are home to mongooses, small Indian civet, hares, the Asiatic jackal, the Indian pangolin, the jungle cat, and the desert cat. There are mugger crocodiles in the Indus, and wild boar, deer, porcupines, and small rodents in the surrounding areas. The sandy scrublands of central Pakistan are home to Asiatic jackals, striped hyenas, wildcats, and leopards. The lack of vegetative cover, the severe climate, and the impact of grazing on the deserts have left wild animals in a precarious position. The chinkara is the only animal that can still be found in significant numbers in Kholistan. A small number of nilgai are found along the Pakistan-India border and in some parts of Kholistan. A wide variety of animals live in the mountainous north, including the Marco Polo sheep, the rhyle, a subspecies of wild sheep, the Marco goat, the Ibex goat, the Asian black bear, and the Himalayan brown bear. Among the rare animals found in the area are the snow leopard and the blind Indus River dolphin, of which there are believed to be about 1,100 remaining, protected at the Indus River Dolphin Reserve in Sindh. In total, 174 mammals, 177 reptiles, 22 amphibians, 198 freshwater fish species and 5,000 species of invertebrates, including insects, have been recorded in Pakistan. The flora and fauna of Pakistan suffer from a number of problems. Pakistan has the second highest rate of deforestation in the world, which, along with hunting and pollution, has had adverse effects on the ecosystem. It had a 2019 Forest Landscape Integrity Index mean score of 7.42, ranking it 41st globally out of 172 countries. The government has established a large number of protected areas, wildlife sanctuaries, and game reserves to